Okay, so this is the wiring job. Get some more light in here. Okay, so basically the 3 pins go into the 3 pins. There's 2 sets of 3 pins on the left side on my E46 330XI, and then on this side you can see the 6 pin went into the 6 pin evenly all the way. Again here, and it's weird how this thing has 2 little needles sticking out, but it's 6 pins, and it goes in the receiver. The female goes into the male perfectly, and here the harness connects perfectly as well. That's 6 pins also. Turn on the light. The orange lights go on, but the green indicator doesn't. The green light doesn't go on, indicating if the car's in park or neutral or whatever. So it's defective. I'm hoping it can be replaced quickly, because I'm very enthusiastic about having this installation done. Thank you.